Welcome back to Bon Appetit. Today we're going to do what's called a mini episode. So in a couple of minutes, I'm going to teach you how to make the simplest dish I know how to make. I call it Basic Bitch Chicken. Roll credit! Alright, this recipe is called Basic Bitch Chicken because it's incredibly easy to make. First off, you take your chicken. You can buy a fresh premium young chicken from any Walmart ever. What you're going to want to do, put that into a bowl really quick and then spray down a big sized pot or a Dutch oven. Spray it nice around with Pam so the chicken can't stick to the sides. Once that's done, you're going to want to take your chicken in the bowl, pour some salt over it. Then you're going to want to mix it around and rub in that salt over all the surfaces. Give it a nice salty massage. Which is a very strange sentence to say about anything, much less a chicken. Now, once that's all ready, you're going to want to take the opening on the back, look into that deep, deep abyss and see if the abyss doesn't look back to you. You're going to want to shove an onion up there. And then if that weren't desecrating enough to the chicken, we're also going to put in a scored jalapeno. So what I've done is I've taken a knife and I've sliced on the sides like this. And then we're going to shove that inside its keister as well. Make sure you fit all the things that you're sticking inside this chicken at once. Take the chicken, put it inside the pan, preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and then you're going to want to put the chicken right in there. Fuck. 1 second. Alright, it's been about an hour after this, so we're going to take these out of the oven really quick. Move the pot out, and you can see it's got a nice salty crust on it. Got the onion up its ass, and then you got that nice bit of dripping at the bottom. All that grease, we're going to save that grease later. I can feed on that grease during the long winter. How you do it? Each leg quarter is one meal. The two wings together are one meal. Each breast is one meal. And then the underside of it, plus the vegetables inside, can be used as a stew. That gives you 6 meals out of 1 chicken, which means this whole thing, which costs $1 a pound, can get you 6 meals for $1 each. Bon appetit.